Abacavir. Open quote, important, Abacavir is an antiretroviral medicine used in combination with other antiretroviral drugs for HIV-1 infection. Its most important safety issue is a potentially life-threatening hypersensitivity reaction strongly associated with the HLA-B 5701 allele. Current guidance recommends HLA-B 5701 testing before starting Abacavir. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, close quote. Generic name, Abacavir. Brand name, Ziagen. Other abbreviation, ABC. Drug class, nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, NRTI. Antiretroviral class, nucleoside analog HIV-1 reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Available forms, oral tablet 300 milligrams, oral solution 20 milligrams per milliliters. Abacavir is also available in fixed-dose combinations, such as Abacavir lamivudine and Abacavir dolutegravir lamivudine. Number 2. Definition: Abacavir is an NRTI that inhibits HIV-1 reverse transcriptase after intracellular conversion to its active triphosphate metabolite. It is used with other antiretroviral agents to suppress HIV replication and reduce the amount of HIV in the blood. Number 3. Mechanism of action. 1. Abacavir enters HIV-infected cells. 2. Cellular enzymes convert it to its active metabolite, carbovir triphosphate, CBVTP. 3. CBVTP resembles the natural nucleotide deoxyguanosine 5-triphosphate, DGTP. 4. It competes with the DGTP for incorporation into viral DNA. 5. CBVTP is incorporated into the growing viral DNA chain. 6. Because it lacks the required 3-OH group, further DNA chain elongation is stopped. 7. HIV reverse transcriptase activity and viral DNA synthesis are therefore inhibited. 8. This reduces HIV replication. Key point: Abacavir does not cure HIV and should be used as part of an appropriate combination antiretroviral regimen. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Absolute bioavailability of tablets is approximately 83%. Can be taken with or without food because food does not significantly affect systemic exposure. Distribution. Widely distributed into extravascular tissues. Approximately 50% protein bound. Abacavir crosses into cerebrospinal fluid. Reported CSF to plasma exposure ratios are approximately 27 to 33%. Metabolism. Primarily metabolized by alcohol dehydrogenase and glucuronil transferase pathways. It is converted intracellularly to active carbovir triphosphate. Elimination. Metabolites are primarily eliminated through the kidneys. The plasma half-life of unchanged Abacavir is approximately 1.5 hours, while the intracellular active metabolite persists considerably longer. Special considerations. Abacavir pharmacokinetics are substantially affected by hepatic function. Mild hepatic impairment requires dose reduction. Moderate or severe hepatic impairment is contraindicated in current U.S. labeling. 5. Uses. Abacavir is primarily used for treatment of HIV-1 infection, combination antiretroviral therapy as an NRTI component of selected combination regimens, combination with other antiretroviral agents such as lamivudine and/or dolutegravir when clinically appropriate. It should not be used alone for HIV treatment because monotherapy promotes development of resistance. Number 6. Indications. The approved indication is treatment of HIV-1 infection in combination with other antiretroviral agents. Current HIV treatment guidance places greater emphasis on other preferred initial regimens, and Abacavir-containing regimens require consideration of HLA-55701 status and cardiovascular risk. Number 7. Contraindications. Abacavir is contraindicated in patients with 1. Positive HLA-B 5701 test. 2. Previous hypersensitivity reaction to Abacavir. 3. Moderate or severe hepatic impairment according to current U.S. Product labeling. Never rechallenge after suspected hypersensitivity. A patient who has experienced suspected Abacavir hypersensitivity should never be given Abacavir again, regardless of the HLA-B 5701 result. Rechallenge can cause a much more severe reaction, including death. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Before starting treatment, assess. HLA-B 5701 testing. Perform HLA-B 5701 testing before initiation. HLA-B71 positive patients should not receive Abacavir. Record a positive result as an Abacavir allergy. Previous allergy. Ask specifically about previous reactions to Abacavir, Abacavir lamivudine, Abacavir-containing combination products. Liver disease. Assess for hepatitis B or C, cirrhosis, other chronic liver disease, Abnormal liver function, cardiovascular risk. Use caution in patients with significant cardiovascular risk factors because contemporary HIV guidelines advise considering alternatives where appropriate. Other conditions. Inform the prescriber about pregnancy or plans for pregnancy, breastfeeding, alcohol use, all prescription and non-prescription medicines, previous antiretroviral treatment, and resistance history. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. May be taken with or without food. Take at approximately the same time each day. Swallow tablets as directed. If using oral solution, measure the dose with an appropriate oral dosing device. Continue the complete antiretroviral regimen. Do not use Abacavir as an unsupervised single drug. Do not stop treatment without consulting the HIV treatment team unless symptoms strongly suggest hypersensitivity. In that situation, urgent medical assessment is required. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults 600 milligrams per day administered as either 300 milligrams twice daily or 600 milligrams once daily in combination with other antiretroviral agents. Children 3 months, 8 milligrams per kilogram twice daily or minus 16 milligrams per kilo once daily, maximum 600 milligrams per day. Mild hepatic impairment. Current U.S. labeling recommends 200 milligrams twice daily. Abacavir is contraindicated in moderate or severe hepatic impairment. Dosage should always be individualized by the treating clinician, particularly in children and patients with hepatic disease. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If a dose is missed, take it when remembered unless it is nearly time for the next dose. If it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the dose to compensate. Resume the regular schedule. Overdose. Human experience with acute Abacavir overdose is limited. If an overdose is suspected, seek urgent medical evaluation. Do not attempt to induce vomiting unless specifically instructed by a healthcare professional. Bring the medication container if possible. Treatment is primarily supportive because there is no established specific antidote. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately and seek urgent medical advice if hypersensitivity is suspected. Symptoms can include combinations of fever, rash, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, severe tiredness or malaise, muscle or joint pain, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath. The reaction commonly occurs during the first 6 weeks, although vigilance is required throughout treatment. Refrain from restarting. Never restart Abacavir after a suspected hypersensitivity reaction. Also avoid other medicines containing Abacavir unless specifically determined otherwise by a specialist, which generally means they must be permanently avoided. 13. Side effects. Common or relatively frequent effects: nausea, headache, malaise, fatigue, diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, fever, rash. Serious adverse effects. 1. Hypersensitivity reaction. This is the most important adverse effect. It can involve multiple organ systems and may be fatal. Symptoms often include fever, rash, gastrointestinal symptoms, malaise, and respiratory symptoms. 2. Lactic acidosis. Possible symptoms: severe weakness, muscle pain, difficulty breathing, abdominal symptoms, rapid breathing. 3. Hepatotoxicity. Monitor particularly in patients with liver disease or other risk factors. 4. Cardiovascular concerns. Abacavir has been associated with concern about cardiovascular risk in some observational studies. Current guidelines recommend considering cardiovascular risk when selecting an antiretroviral regimen. 5. Severe skin reactions. Rare cases of severe cutaneous reactions, including SJS-10, have been reported. 14. Vital information. The most important warning: HLA-B 5701 testing should be performed before initiating Abacavir. A positive result means, open quote, do not use Abacavir, close quote. The patient should also have the allergy documented in the medical record. Hypersensitivity warning. If a patient develops symptoms involving 2 or more symptom groups, particularly fever, rash, gastrointestinal symptoms, malaise, or respiratory symptoms, Abacavir hypersensitivity must be considered. Never re-challenge a patient after suspected Abacavir hypersensitivity. 15. Other drugs that may affect Abacavir. Alcohol, ethanol. Ethanol can decrease Abacavir elimination and increase overall exposure. In a pharmacokinetics study, co-administration increased Abacavir AUC by approximately 41% and half-life by approximately 26%. Methadone. Abacavir can increase methadone clearance. Most patients do not require adjustment, but some may require clinical monitoring and possible methadone dose adjustment. Riociguat abacavir containing fixed-dose therapy with dolutegravir lamivudine has been associated with increased riociguat exposure. The riociguat dose may need adjustment. Lamivudine and zidovudine. No clinically important pharmacokinetic interaction with abacavir has been demonstrated, and these drugs have historically been used in combination regimens. Always provide the prescriber pharmacist with a complete list of medicines, supplements, and herbal products. 16. Drug comparison. Abacavir versus tenofovir abacavir NRTI requires HLA-B 701, screening norinal dose adjustment generally required. Important hypersensitivity risk, cardiovascular risk should be considered. Hepatic impairment is an important dosing/contraindication consideration. Tenofovir nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor does not require HLA-B 5701 testing. Tenofovir DF can cause renal and bone toxicity. Tenofovir lefenamide generally has less renal and bone toxicity than TDF, widely used as part of contemporary HIV regimens. Abacavirs. Zidovavir, NRTI, major concern, hypersensitivity, HLA 5701 screening required, generally well tolerated in appropriate patients. Zidovudine, NRTI, important adverse effects include anemia and neutropenia. Long-term use can cause mitochondrial toxicity, lipoatrophy. No HLA-B 5701 screening requirement. Abacavir versus lamivudine. Both are NRTIs, but they are frequently used together because they have complementary antiretroviral activity. Abacavir has the distinctive HLA-B 5701 hypersensitivity concern, whereas lamivudine has different resistance and hepatitis B-related considerations. Number 17, patient teaching. Teach the patient to 1. Take abacavir exactly as prescribed. 2. Do not skip doses unnecessarily because consistent antiretroviral therapy helps prevent HIV resistance. 3. Take it with or without food. 4. Keep the medication in its original container and follow storage instructions. 5. Know the symptoms of abacavir hypersensitivity. 6. Seek immediate medical advice if fever, rash, gastrointestinal symptoms, severe tiredness, or respiratory symptoms develop. 7. Never restart abacavir after suspected hypersensitivity. 8. Tell every healthcare professional about the abacavir allergy if a hypersensitivity reaction has occurred. 9. Do not share the medicine with another person. 10. Continue other prescribed antiretroviral medicines unless instructed otherwise. 11. Attend scheduled appointments and laboratory monitoring. 12. Inform the healthcare provider about all medicines, supplements, and herbal products. 13. Discuss alcohol use with the healthcare professional. 14. Understand that antiretroviral therapy controls HIV but does not eliminate HIV from the body. 15. Practice safer sex and follow appropriate measures to reduce HIV transmission. 16. If pregnant or planning pregnancy, inform the healthcare provider. Current NIH perinatal guidance reports no dose adjustment is required during pregnancy and recommends HLA-B 5701 screening before initiation. Key nursing points. Before administration, verify HLA-B 5701 status, allergy history, hepatic status, current antiretroviral regimen, and relevant cardiovascular risk factors. During therapy, monitor for hypersensitivity, rash, fever, gastrointestinal symptoms, respiratory symptoms, liver toxicity, and other clinically significant adverse effects. Critical safety rule. Suspected abacavir hypersensitivity, stop abacavir and obtain urgent medical evaluation. Never re-challenge. This information is for educational use and does not replace the patient's prescription, HIV specialist guidance, or the current product labeling. Thank you. Have a nice day.